BLACKTALON is Comtech's range of counter-UAS products, offering many benefits over a lot of the competition, based on years of domain experience from measurements, monitoring and actual identification of spectrum activity, through to the RF jamming capabilities that have seen life and seen evolution of threats, all the way through the RCIED and into the counter-UAS market we see today. With all of this development work comes the need for real life and real world trials and testing. The BLACKTALON team were blessed that they spent a significant proportion of the summer running these trials. Jamming ranges have been seen to increase significantly, and sensor capabilities have been folded into the ever-changing environment of the BLACKTALON system. Smaller changes have taken place as well, taking that real-world feedback and actually folding in the technology, whether that be to improve usability, transportability, or just the overarching impact that it has. Building from the globally respected 903 family of comet equipment, the 953 as the next generation unit takes the product forward, building on the assured quality and capability that our global customers have become used to, but actually bringing in enhancements such as faster scanning rates, hot swappable batteries and a smaller single form factor. Importantly, this product is backwardly compatible, meaning that there is zero redundancy to the customer's inventory as a result of us managing this step forward.